I'm the JakeOfALL, and we're at Home Depot. Let's talk about some 4th of July sales.
And I'm PACKOUT Princess, and we're at Lowe's.
But Home Depot has packouts.
I don't care if Home Depot has Milwaukee. We're at Lowe's because we have flex stack stuff to give away.
Okay, well, let's go in and get this done then.
I know. We gotta go see what they have on sale.
All right. Okay, we're inside.
Oh, yeah, it's hot outside.
All right, so I have a case here. A magical case.
Okay, magical
and you
case.
can see in the distance, yes, right? There's a bunch of names on a piece of paper. So we're not gonna get to this yet, right? Because there's something we gotta tell you about this. But we are gonna show you a couple of the sales, 4th of July. I don't know if this is coming out Monday or Sunday. I don't know exactly when I'm releasing this. But we have Slack at giving away the 3-piece set, and we're gonna make that right because we don't want to be liars, but occasionally
We're slackers on.
we're slackers.
We're slow on
that's
it. This one
ultimately it.
was a slow process.
Yeah. So I'm gonna carry around the winners. We're gonna rock around and show you a couple of the sales, and then I'm gonna try to convince her to go to Home Depot because I got to pick up my own anniversary gift.
Like,
She got one. What'd you get?
I got a ring there. Do you know that?
Where is it?
It's on my
Let
hand.
me see. Okay, and an energy drink. So let's go ahead and walk around, and then stay tuned so you can find out if you won. Oh, she's checking out stuff already.
I am.
If you know that's the wrong color red.
Well, I know, but they've got sales.
So buy one, $99. Get one bear free tool. Okay. It's still the wrong color red. Everyone's gonna, you know what the #1 comment's gonna be? You guys are biased for Milwaukee. But we are. Okay, here's more of them. So, again, 4th of July. Okay, let's see what else.
We got yellow down here.
We have some yellow. Hold on, we need our child. We need our signed person. Okay, so what was it you wanted to say? Okay, but gloves, glasses, bit sets. Okay, that's a nice fan. It's a nice
Wrong
fan.
color.
All right, we've got some cobalt. Let's go. All right. What? Oh. Okay. So what do we have?
Buy one.
Oh, so
$49 starter kit. You get.
interesting. Interesting. What do they have? We've got right angles. We got ratchets, hand, sawzall, hacksaw-like thing, OMTs, drill kits, circular saws. I don't know. It's just not the right. Oh, but this is okay. This is the right color.
Okay, let's.
Okay, so we have knives.
You got
14.
hammers?
That's funny.
Pliers.
Those aren't pliers though. Those are knives.
Yeah,
I don't know. Maybe when you're seeing blue, you can't figure it out.
Yeah, the sticker got put in the wrong spot.
Screwdriver set was $29. Is it really? That's always a question, right, on sales.
Like a blower.
Huh. No. Oh, that.
That
Yes.
one.
Oh, okay. Look at this freaking weird fan.
It
Look
looks
at
like they don't have any battery.
one-handed.
It's not
One
heavy, but look how
hand.
funky it is.
I don't know. That is very funky. How does that fit in that box?
Huh?
Look, it's taller than the box.
Maybe they fit it this way.
How do they get that much in a box?
I don't know. Look at the little radio.
Job site saw. It's the everyday low price. It's not 4th of July. It's just every day. All right. Should we go down that way?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
go look that way.
What was it? Oh, buy one. 24-volt XTR, get one.
Get
High
one
output 4-amp battery. Okay.
That's not bad.
Hey, there's a markdown.
Clearance.
That's like $30.
They got
26.
There's another clearance.
This is screw gun.
Who uses these anymore?
Drywallers.
Well, okay.
Okay.
Well,
Oh, yeah, but we need the sign then. Okay. We're gonna get in trouble, if we film too much of this yellow content. Good thing there's not a ton of sales, right?
there aren't very many sales here.
Maybe.
I
I
think
hope Home Depot's different.
I hope so, because man.
So what is it? $179 or
for a battery
$249,
starter kit,
and then you get up to get one. Oh, just one. Oh, well,
get one free. Buy one of those, you get one of those free.
I would just buy the cheapest thing option to then get the best deal, right?
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Well,
Okay.
why don't we head that way?
Okay, we're gonna go that way.
Look, you missed one.
Uh-oh.
Why are you looking at gift cards?
I had an idea, but yes, they've got
So it's $100 off. Is that like, if it's red, it's $2.99. If it's red, it's $1.99. And if it's red, and it says Milwaukee, then it's $2.99?
Maybe, but look, I have an idea. Come here.
Okay. Oh, okay. She has an idea.
So, I know we said we were going to be giving the flex stack away, but I think instead we should give them a gift card, and it's easier to ship.
We could just put it in an envelope.
Yeah. So we're going to get them a gift card instead.
Oh, that's a good... Well, we still got to pick the winner.
We do. So let's go over to the plant section and do that.
Okay. Okay, so we're in, and we've got some of them.
Yeah.
Honestly, we've been here for 2 minutes, and
Yeah, it's okay. They got buy two of the MET, get the starter kit for free. What else do they got? So we got the buy two, get this free. We got special buy kits, $4.99, $3.49, $2.99.
even the yellow guy over there has some.
Let's go look at the yellow one. So let's see what they got. Lower prices on stuff. Okay, so it's not really a sale, maybe just markdown. They got a 7-piece tool combo kit and some battery packs that you can get, but nothing really too impressive.
Milwaukee still has one.
Yeah, so let's look at them. So they have the buy one, get one of these free. So you buy any one of those, framing nailer, compressor, get the battery for free. Or if you buy one of those tools, get the big.
Okay, Port Charlotte Crackheads.
Right, so they've got those deals going on. Let's go across over there and see what they got going on.
Lawn equipment.
Yep.
So it looks like they have that same outdoor equipment sale.
Yeah, the one
To save instantly.
You want bucket stuff off.
So I guess we don't need to worry about 1776 anymore. I guess that's not important. I mean, everyone was going to say in the comments anyways, you know, China, so.
Well, that's true.
And of course, that's China.
Not too
I mean, is
many,
anything? You
sales
said,
going on.
what was there? Some cobalt or?
Yeah, oh yeah, let's go look at the cobalt one.
You know, that's a different store.
I know.
Haha.
Uh-huh.
Gotcha. Makita.
Priority. It's the, oh, well, an R, whatever.
That's a K.
What?
Cobalt is K.
I know, but
Whatever.
So they got this sale going on. Buy any one of these tools, you get these batteries for free. So it's a 2-pack of batteries when you buy a tool. Okay, so that's not too bad. They got something going on, but
You know what they don't have going on?
what's that?
They don't have a PACKOUT wall storage aisle.
No, they
Attention
don't.
Home Depot Associates. So JakeOfALL is in the store and he wants to buy wall storage and they don't have it.
Boo, I guess you'll just have to get something else.
So I guess what we need to do is just say 4th of July.
Yeah.
So let's cut to the outdoor section over at Lowe's and what are we going to do?
We're going to give something away.
What are we giving away?
We're giving away the flex stack.
Sort of flex stack.
More flex stack stuff.
So here we go.
Okay. Ooh, it's warm out here.
Yeah, but we won't get copyright strikes.
Right, so here's the gift card that we're going to be giving away. We're going to pick one winner. We read through all the comments, and those who actually followed the directions, we copied their name, we put them on a piece of paper, and we put everybody's name in here, and you're going to draw one.
No, I'm not drawing.
Oh, I have to draw
Yeah.
one? Okay. Ow.
So she's going to pick it,
Yes.
and then we're going to reply to their comment.
Yes.
But because we didn't come up with a great idea, we're going to pick out some backups.
Yes.
And if you guys don't respond to us and don't follow directions, but we're going to say it, that you need to email orders or
Yes.
winning
Yep.
at jakeofall.com,
Yep.
and you're going to be able to claim. What's the name?
Tyler Nolan 748. You
Okay.
won, so we will comment underneath your comment. But you should also be watching for this
Yep.
video.
And yes, and you know, if you won, you're going to get that,
yes.
not the actual stack,
Right,
because
we're giving away the gift card, not the actual stack, because
turns
we
out
gotta
shipping
use it.
is pretty
Yeah.
bad, and we actually have a couple things that we have to use the actual stack for.
Yeah.
So,
So you're gonna
thank
get
you
gift card
everyone
instead.
that followed along on those.
Yes, and we know it's been a long time coming. We do appreciate the patience.
Measuring and doing R&D on it
Yes.
has taken a little bit longer.
Yes.
We've been busy.
So we are going to pick a second backup and a third backup in case this person doesn't follow through. But we're going to do that off camera, and we're going to call it quits, and we're going to go get some AC because it's hot.
Well, technically we're going to Home Depot to film the rest of
Well,
this
we
video,
are,
but
but-
you guys are seeing this at the end, so it is time to pack out,
Yes,
right?
pack out. All right.
Bye.
Bye.